Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Plymouth Satellite here. Here you can hear the horn buzzer still works. I mean the key buzzer. Get the right key here. Sounds good. You can see the oil pressure coming up. Got a Grant steering wheel on. Is an air car, but missing the air. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. Horn doesn't work, of course. And there's a defroster, it works. There's your wipers. Sounds good. Turn the lights on. Don't know if the old factory radio works. Probably not. Dome light does. Runs really good. Yeah, I just wanted to show the blinkers work, just the indicators. There's your headlights. And your tail lights. Good sounding car, good running and driving car. 605-695-73.